Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. With all your heart. Missing someone. With heart. How much you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you did it right from the start.
Okay, so here's my outfit for you guys. I'm just wearing something super simple. So this white tee is from Abercrombie and these jeans are actually also from Abercrombie. And I got these in the cropped style and I don't know, I think they're really cute. So these are the shoes that I'm wearing. They're just cute little cheetah print sandals. These are from Marshall's.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I eat in a day. So before we get into the video, I just want to say that this is 100% realistic. What I am going to be showing you guys in today's video of like what I'm eating and stuff is definitely like my normal eating habits, I guess. I'm not a vegan, I'm not a vegetarian, I am not on a diet, I eat junk food, I kind of just eat whatever I feel like eating. I just wanted to throw that in there just because I feel like a lot of people that make this type of video, like the what I eat in a day videos, are either people who like work out a lot or people who specifically make like health conscious videos, and kind of just like a channel that revolves around like eating and working out and living a healthier lifestyle, being vegan, all that stuff, and I'm just not any of that. So without further ado, we can finally get into the video. Okay, first up is, of course, some breakfast. So usually what I'll eat for breakfast is just a piece of toast with butter on it. And of course, I have to have some tea with it. So we're gonna go make the tea first, and then we're going to toast the bread so then the tea has some time to steep. Okay, the lighting is really bad over there, so I'm going to come back over here to tell you guys about the tea that I'm going to be using today. So this is the tea that I'm going to be using today. It's from a brand called Teami, and it's in their flavor Refresh. Just so you guys know, Teami did send me this product to tell you guys about, but I've been using it for a week now, and I absolutely love it. They also gave me a coupon code to share with you guys, so I'll leave that on the screen right now, so you guys should definitely go use that. So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about this flavor of their tea. So this particular tea has caffeine in it, but they do have other flavors that don't. So if you don't like caffeine or you don't want to drink caffeine, they also have options for that. Important benefits of this particular tea include help soothing stomach aches, raise energy levels naturally, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, immune boosting properties, contains anti-aging properties, and it has all natural ingredients with no chemicals. So I'm gonna link all of their websites, social media, all that stuff in the down bar below so you guys can go check them out. All of their teas have different benefits to them, so I would definitely recommend going and checking out their website. Hopefully you guys will find a tea that fits into your lifestyle. Then you can use my coupon code to get some money off and save, which is always a plus. So now that I've told you guys a little bit about Teami, I'm going to share with you guys how to use their super cool tumbler cup to brew it. So this is the tumbler cup that they sent me. I chose the light pink color because I think it's super cute, but they also have a bunch of other colors to choose from. It comes with a wrist strap on it, and this is the tea strainer. So basically how it works is you pour the loose tea into here, and then you put the strainer on it, and you can pour your water into that. And I think this is super cool. I've never seen a cup with a strainer in it. So this is what the tea looks like, and you only need about a teaspoon of it. So I'm also going to pour some agave syrup in it. You don't have to, but I just like the taste of it. So now I'm going to put on the little strainer, and now I can pour my water into it. So yeah, I'm just going to let this steep for a few minutes, and then I will show you guys what it looks like after that. Now I'm just going to make some toast. So this is my wonderful breakfast today. This is usually what I eat pretty much every day, just a piece of toast and some tea, of course. So I already drank some of the tea, but this is what it looks like after it's steep. So on the agenda today, I have a hair appointment at 12:30, so that's like in an hour and a half-ish. So other than that, I don't have any other plans for today. I don't work today or anything like that, so I'll probably just be editing this video throughout the day. But yeah, so that's what's going on today. So I'm going to finish my breakfast, and then you guys will see what I do in the next clip. So this is what my hair looks like before I get it done. I know this is like a what I eat in a day video and not a vlog, but you know, it's all good. I just want to like be able to see a before and after of my hair. So this is what it looks like. It looks very messy because I haven't done anything to it today. But yeah, so I'm gonna get my hair done, and then I will show you guys what it looks like after. So I am done at the hair salon now, and I don't know how to feel about it. I feel like it doesn't look that different. I mean, I like it, but I think just like the lighting right now is throwing me off, and like, ooh, I don't know. It is 3 o'clock right now, and I am so hungry. So it is definitely time for some lunch. So I'm going to have some leftover spaghetti squash and vegetables from dinner last night. So I'm just going to heat this up in the microwave. So I'm going to put a little bit of this garlic olive oil on it because there wasn't a ton of sauce in the vegetables. Just like a little bit. Okay, that's good. And I know this doesn't look like the prettiest meal in the world, but it's actually really good. I love spaghetti squash. I don't know why, it's just so good. So yeah, this is my lunch for today. So I am the worst at making sure I drink a lot of water every day, but I am going to fill this up with some ice water and try to drink as much of it as I can. I'm just really bad about drinking water. I don't know why. So I'm done with my lunch now, so I'm going to eat one of these mint chocolate chip Oreos. They are actually surprisingly really good. I am definitely a fan. I am also going to have a Chips Ahoy cookie because why not? Hi guys, so I actually forgot to film an outro. It's a few days later and I just finished editing all of the footage, and I just wanted to add a little clip at the end to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I also wanted to thank Teami for sending me these products to tell you guys about, and I also wanted to remind you guys to go check out their website and their social media. All the links will be in the description box down below. My own social media links will also be in the down bar below. If you guys want to go check those out, you should definitely go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that good stuff. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the little notifications bell so you guys don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see next from me. I am actually moving back to school in a few weeks, so I'll definitely be doing some college related videos. And yeah, so that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!